Are you wondering what size single garage door is best for your home? In this video, we'll discuss the standard dimensions and some customization options for single garage doors. Typically, a single garage door is around 8 to 10 feet wide, which is ideal for compact cars and small to medium-sized vehicles. If you have a larger vehicle like an SUV or truck, you may want to consider a slightly wider option, or even a double garage door to ensure plenty of space for entry and exit. The width of your garage door depends on your specific needs, the size of your garage space, and the type of vehicle you plan to store. For homeowners with smaller garages or compact vehicles, a standard 8-foot door works well, while those with larger vehicles may need a 9 or 10-foot door. If the standard size doesn't work for your space, custom garage doors are also available to fit non-standard dimensions. Be sure to measure your garage entry accurately before making your decision, and consult with a professional to ensure your garage door fits perfectly. For more information, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.